everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Amy. Today I'm going to show you a round brush painting. I'm just using four colors, excuse me, and I will list the supplies down below the video. I am going to begin by sticking my round brush, which is a number 8 one-stroke brush, stick it into the yellow and tip it with the red. So I'm just going to push down, pedal, and then pull up. And keep loading my brush as much as I feel I need to. You don't have to do it every time, but if you feel like you need to do so, that's fine too. So again, just very easy. I'm going to go back over. I'd like to get some more red in here. I'm just pulling it towards the center. What I would recommend if you're just learning how to paint is just sit down with your paintbrushes and see what kind of strokes you can do with them. See what feels comfortable to you. And this is not meant to be any particular type of flower. I'm just doing brush strokes here, just to show you how easy they are. And I'm going to come up here, create a little bud. I don't know why I've got everything leaning one direction here. And I'm going to go back over it again with some more red. I think what's throwing me off, honestly, is the fact I have my thing turned to the left. I'm trying to keep my hand out of the way of the picture, and it's just hard. Being left-handed can be a challenge at times. And I did just have that facing the same way. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. You can actually face your flowers different directions. They don't have to be going the same direction like mine are right now. Hopefully you get the gist. Alright, I'm going to leave it at that. Come in with my nail brush. It's a fine liner brush. I'm going to stick the brush into the greens and maybe even tap it into the yellow a little bit. And you can just kind of do, you know, some little strokes just to kind of thin it out a little bit if you want. Or leave the paint on it thick if you want that too. And then I'm going to bring this down, just kind of wiggle it down the edge here. Bring it out. I'm not sure how much of that you can actually see. Now I'm going to come through here and just put, this is the one's going in here. I gotta make that a little bit more noticeable. And these brushes I'm using for the lining are actually nail painting brushes. And I like them. Alright, so I'm going to do that for now. And then I'm going to come back in here with some green for my leaves. Now if you wanted to do all round brush, you know, you could do the leaves with a round brush also. I'm going to do it with this brush. And I'm just going to do very simple. And I should have, let me go back here for a minute. I should have done this first. Before doing the leaves, I'm going to go in here and actually add some greenery to the bottom of each one of these flowers. So it makes sense that you're attaching them to the stem, obviously. You can do this with a liner brush, you can do this with your flat brush, even a round brush. That's up to you. So I say, get some brushes, sit down, put some paint on your palette, and just experiment. See what makes you feel comfortable. What your favorite brushes are. You can also pull backwards like this if you want. You don't have to go up towards the plant if you don't want to. Or go this way. You want to come back down here and line. You can do that too. Like say, if I wanted to come in here and line the side. A couple of these are on both sides. You can do that too. And add more detail. Feel free, make it yours. And I'm kind of rushing here, so take your time. You don't have to rush. You can do that to all the petals if you want, or just do it to some. All right, let's go back then to the leaves. Again, I'm going to go into the greens, and because like I said, with the brushes themselves, you can actually go up into the flower to create the bottom greenery that attaches them. You can do leaves where you just kind of pull back, and these can be like little filler leaves. It's very simple. Main thing is just to relax and enjoy your creation. To make your leaves thin, short, vary them. And come up here, I'm going to do some of these like this. I'm just pulling back towards the stem and varying it a little bit. And just make it fun. And I'll leave come down this way. Nope. And I'm sorry if there's glare on here, the paint. Alright, so then I'm going to go back with my liner brush to stick it into the greens and the yellow, and then just come in here and add some stems. It looks like it makes sense. They don't have to be perfect. Yes, definitely mine are not perfect by any means. Did I get them Oh, nope. And if you see that you need to add anything else, go for it. And you can just, continue to add some little pieces that kind of fill it in, or you can do like your little random swirls. And I don't even make those perfectly, I'll just make them. It just kind of fills in, gives a little bit more interest. But that's up to you if you want to do that or not. All right, there you have it. Pretty easy, and a nice little branch with some flowers on it. All right, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe so you get notified whenever I do something new. And share this video with your family and friends. I would appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please place those down below the video. And until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one. See you next time.